What's up, YouTube? But I don't think remember to this unboxing video, so this is gonna be first. I'm gonna show you why. Bring it here. That's right, we got a new belt buckle, and this came from Rock Spring, Georgia. Okay, put it on the camera tripod. Okay, let's put the camera here. This is my table. Okay. Right. All right. Carefully. And tape. Oh, that's it. Alright, this is for TJ elevator fan and diesel DC. And here's the moment been waiting for. use this side. That's right, we got a Dover Elevators belt buckle. Came from eBay. So there it is. That's right, it's an old Dover Elevators belt buckle. So, a big thank you to YouTube user Diesel Lucy and Dover. So, a big thank you to YouTube user Diesel Lucy and TJ Elevator Fan. So, that was the second unboxing video. I think this new belt buckle, I think we're going to film some elevators. Film some elevators. Well, let's go. Alright, time for the Dover Delight time. These are the elevators. Time to do for a 10AP take of these elevators. And these are the main bank of elevators at the 17th and R Garage, University of Nebraska-Lincoln. And these are Thyssen Dover from the 90s or the 2000s. So let's start, we'll go down first. So here we go. Which one's going to be first? The left or the right? I think going to be the left. Or might be the right. I think that was right. No lanterns in these elevators, which is odd. Basement. That's right. It's a Thyssen Dover. Down, down, down to the concrete abyss, right? Mm-hmm. And look at this. These are not black.
No, they're not black. That's right. Kind of like a silver.
Let's go to 6. 7-story hydro. Takes forever to doors close. There it goes. Now listen to this epic motor and listen to this low on oil. Let's see how bad this elevator sounds like.
Ooh.
That elevator sounds like fart.
Do you think it needs some oil?
Yes. Let's listen to this.
Ooh.
Oh, a little low on oil, aren't we?
Yeah?
Let's go back down to the basement and we'll catch the other car.
Oh God, please.
I'll get Cavi on this one. Yeah, this elevator is a very bad little low on oil. Their fixtures, standard Dover vandal resistant, right?
Mm-hmm.
There's your ADA compliant phone. The certificate is Thyssen. It's supposed to be said, it says Thyssen Dover.
Thyssen Dover?
Yep, that was right. Look on the brand. Thyssen Dover.
Don't lose that. You just got that.
And look up there. It's a new security camera. They replaced the old one.
Yeah?
And oh my gosh, that fan's too loud.
It's okay.
Let's send upstairs. No, try to get the other car.
Oh.
And there's the machine room. It's right there. We're gonna listen to it. Now listen to this motor. There goes the motor. It says, see, there's a sign that says elevator equipment. Let's catch the other car. And sitting here, wait for us. Oh, this one is still old camera, old security camera in here.
Yeah, that's the old one.
But the other one's new.
Yeah.
Let's watch the numbers here. The bus is kind of sick. That bus kind of sick.
Kind of sick.
Watch this. Sounds like low in oil too.
Ooh. That loud.
A little low in oil.
I think it's very low in oil.
A very little low in oil, aren't we?
No, it's loud. Very loud.
Very loud, low in oil.
It needs more oil.
Yeah, 17-yard garage, you need to fix your elevators.
You need more oil.
You need more oil elevators. Your fixtures, vendor resistant buttons, foam, identical to the other one. Why does the label says Thyssen, or the label says Thyssen Dover? Capacity 3,500 pounds. This is elevator number 2, 23 peoples. The old security cameras is still old, but the other one is new.
Mm-hmm.
And here we are 1.
Okay. There's Dad.
All right, let's look up the shaft. Yes, it's hydraulic. There she goes. There goes the main bank of the elevators. Let's head to the last elevator. And that's it.
Okay, I want to show Mom something.
All right, here's the last elevator, number 3, at the 17th Menard garage.
Jeffrey, if somebody goes on the elevator with us, then let them do it, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so be polite.
All right, and here's elevator number 3. And this is the elevator number 3 at the 17th Menard garage, University of Nebraska-Lincoln. This is also Thyssen Dover as well. This one has a like a crappy mod.
Mm-hmm.
I hear the double Dover buzz.
Mm-hmm.
And sorry here. This one has an arrow sound. LL. This one has crappy mod.
Happy mud?
Here we go, down to the concrete abyss.
Oh! That is loud.
Oh my gosh, that's very, very loud.
Do you see how dirty the roof up there is?
Yeah.
Look how dirty that is.
All right, let's for 6. Now ring the bell. Bell rings. Listen to this motor.
Mm.
Hi. It takes 3 seconds to level. LL. We'll go. Let's watch out through this window this time. And we're going to do indicator go up and caviar going down. You can see the tower crane over there, where the person used to be.
Mm-hmm.
But it's changing colors. But not low in oil though.
Mm-hmm.
Listen to this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 seconds to level.
Okay. Get us on the first floor.
Mom, look, interesting looking LL.
Yeah?
You can see it on the indicator. Oh, one indicator is almost completely burned out. Something skipping floor 2.
Oh, okay. Don't worry about it.
Doesn't serve floor 2.
Mm-hmm. We're going back on 6?
Yes.
Come on, Jeffrey.
Well, watch this. It takes forever to level. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 seconds to level. 1. Dover trick. This is identical to the main bank of elevators. Stainless steel. And these are fixtures. Dover Crabby traditional classic Vanover system. Traditional Vanover traditional fixtures. Your phone. Dover capacity 3,500 pounds. Elevator number 3. Whoa! 23 people. It's supposed to say Tyson Dover. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 seconds to level.
Oh, that is loud.
This elevator is make that noise. There it goes, and that was it.
That was it.
And that was a very big quick elevator. That elevator is going to 11 seconds to level, and 13 seconds to level, and six levels, 6 seconds to level,
Right? Okay.
3 times.
Okay. Do you want to show your viewers everything about the recycling bin here?
These are the recycling bins.
Okay. Show everybody. You put paper
Paper,
into this slot,
yeah,
aluminum cans
yeah,
into that slot,
yeah,
plastic bottles
yeah,
into that slot,
yeah.
and anything else like some plastic there, or plastic bags, or paper towels, or
An apple.
Yeah.
even fruits and everything go in this big thing here.
Yeah,
Okay?
That's for
And then
recycling.
they have the plastic bags and everything. So all they have to do is take the bag
And,
out.
and that's it.
that's it. Stay tuned on Monday.
Okay. All right.
That is it.
That's it. Bye, y'all.
Bye, y'all. All right, here's another Dover Delight videos, a 1080p take. These are the elevators at the Employees West Garage, or called the State Garage West side. These are the elevators at the Employees West Garage, Lincoln, Nebraska. These are Dover from 1991. So we'll go down first, so here we go. Which one's gonna be?
I think it'll be the one right. No, left. This one here.
Just like the 17 Fenard Garage, was right is the left one. One,
You coming in?
oh my gosh, that fan. These were from 1991.
Mm-hmm.
6-story hydro. Here are 1, 6. Here we go. Oh my gosh, that fan. That fan's really loud. Here, 6. And we can see the view at the Capitol. Look at the Capitol building to zoom up to the Sawyer. I can't see it, the Sawyer because the sun's too bright. Can't see it. The sun's too bright. Yeah, the sun is too focused.
Yeah, I can't see it either. I took a picture of it, but when we go down, I'll show you, okay?
Can't see the rail yard here, but there's Cornhusker Mariant.
Jeffrey? See it?
Yep,
Mommy's got it. Do you get it?
but camera can't see it because the sun is bright.
Okay. But Mommy got it right?
Yep.
Okay. Mommy got it.
All right, let's see the elevator is already sitting here wait for us. Yep, it's elevator sitting here wait for us. Let's get the other car. There's your Dover nameplate. I'll get Cappy on this one. Oh, I hear the other one coming up or coming down. Nice elevator, but look at the floor. Somebody left the trash down here. These are your fixtures. This is elevator number 1, 2,500 pounds. This is the state parking garage. Oh, they have two certificates. And up there is the air conditioning unit. I think the machine rooms is inside the garage, above these doors.
Are you ready to go? What?
The other car.
I have to go to the other elevator?
Yeah, we have to wait. Oh, here it is. Here's the other car. Here we go. Here's the second car. 6. Door close works. I really love that. Mom, look at the indicator. Why is there fuzzy on scratching up on the indicator?
I don't know.
I think somebody's scratching up the indicator.
Okay. You gonna take a picture of that?
I'll take a video still of that scratch up indicator. Okay. I got that scratch up indicator. Let's go down to 3.
Are you gonna take a picture of that?
Double dings. Identical to the other car. Fixtures, vandal resistant. Phone down there. This is car number 2, 2,500 pounds. More Dover. And here are up on 3. And look at it down there. It says Dover.
Okay.
And
I took a
before we close the door, look up there. Dover Blue Shaft Equipment. And watch it close. There it goes, and that's it. Alright, these are the elevators at the Employees East Garage here in Lincoln, Nebraska. These are also Dovers as well, installed in 1991. Sorry, we'll go down for so here we go.
On the right this time.
We got the right car. One, fornicator is completely burned out. So watch the bomb go out. So yeah, the fornicator is completely burned out.
Mm-hmm.
7. See, the fornicator is completely dead, right?
Mm-hmm.
Why is the indicator is completely dead?
Yeah.
So we cannot watch the indicator, so we'll go watch the bomb go out.
Mm-hmm.
My gosh, that fan's too loud.
Yeah.
It's coming right up to the shaft. And now you look out here to see the red tower crane where Pershing used to be. There, I can see it. You can see the red crane
You see the red crane?
where the Pershing used to be. It's going to be built apartments.
Okay, I got it. I'm gonna see if you can get closer, but
And over there is the grain elevators. It's going to be demolished over next year. There's a 17th in our garage. We just went there for last 2 days ago
mm-hmm.
at nighttime.
Yeah. Okay. Don't go any further than this. Okay.
Just like panning through the camera, like tourists.
Okay, come this way. Come this way. Stay right there. Okay, let's go.
Fine. Let's go back to the elevators.
Mm-hmm.
And now we'll catch the last car, and now we'll go back down to 3 now and the video. And we're back to the elevators. That means it's time to go back down. But that indicator is completely dead.
Yeah?
Why see the indicator is completely dead?
Completely dead?
It's gone.
Yeah. Don't put your feet in the water. Okay?
Let's see Satan's here to wait for us this time.
Okay. Wipe your feet. Go like this.
And the elevator just left.
Okay, which elevator do we go now? That one or this one? Which elevator?
Let me think.
We were on that one, right?
Oh, we got the same car.
Okay, we're not gonna go to the other one?
We're
You gonna go to the other one?
going to go down to one, go catch the other one.
Oh, come.
I'll cap you on this one. Stainless steel.
Mm-hmm.
These are the fixtures. Double Vanner resistant. There's your phone. This is inspected way back in August of last year.
Put it up so you can see the whole thing.
This was inspected before the Persian Auditorium's going to be torn down last year. This was August of last year, 2023.
Okay, are you gonna take a picture of it?
I'll catch
Or a video?
a video. Let's send it up.
Alright. You have to put it like right here, not down here when you want to see that thing.
Let's
okay?
see, let's catch the other card. Might be broken or might be not.
Okay, now.
Let's find out. Or we'll call a video. Here we go. And this one is working indicator, light up. Now this time, we'll watch the numbers this time. Here, 7. On the way out. Squeaky doors. 3. Back down to 3. Now we're in the video. And this concludes of the Dover Belt Buckle plus elevator videos on this 1080p camera.
Take a picture. Pull it up. Like,
There's a certificate.
right there.
Right there. There's your certificate. It's a Dover.
Get out higher. So you can take a whole picture of it.
They are fixtures, Dover van assistant, phone, elevator number 1, 2,500 pounds. It's a Dover. Before we close at the end of the video, there's your another Dover blue interlock. And there it goes. And that is the belt buckle of Dover elevators and plus elevator videos on 1080p.
Is that it?
Yep.
That's it. Okay. All done?
Yes.
Okay, press stop.
Say bye on the video for 1080p.
Bye-bye. Okay.
I took pictures. But you know the.
So that was said,
Oh, do you want to show them the construction crane?
I took a picture of it.
No, him.
I did.
Oh, you already did. I took a picture of it.
So
Really
with that
close
being
up.
said,
That being
let's-
said,
that was the end of the introducing of the Dover Elevators belt buckle unboxing plus elevator videos
and that'll be it for today, right?
for the 1080p.
Okay. Bye.